Gurmeet, thank you for joining us at the Busworld 2023 in Europe. You are one of the Indian companies who are exhibiting here, showcasing your wide product range. We wanted to understand your expectations from the European bus market and the product portfolio that you are showcasing.
Well, thank you for speaking with me. Expectations from the European market is actually so far we are not really in the European market directly with any OEMs or any coach builders, and our expectation from the exhibition is to try and get our foot in the door with some coach builders or OEMs or bus manufacturers, wherever we can make a start. So that's the main agenda for having a presence here at the show, and that's why since we are system manufacturers, complete Viper system manufacturers, where we manufacture the complete systems. That's why our focus has been more over to show the Viper systems, because that's our capability lies in complete Viper systems. So that's why our display has shown that.
Fantastic. You have a bouquet of offerings, right, from Oppo systems, the pantograph type, Viper systems, and the motors. What is the technology edge that you bring to the European market?
Technology-wise, I would say that we are manufacturers of the complete Viper system under one roof, right from the design. So we are also design forward. So we work with bus manufacturers or OEMs generally, where we work with just the windshield data or the driver positioning data, and from there design the complete Viper system based on the country specific or model specific. Based on whether it's a high HCV, MCV, LCV segment. It's got different requirements on wipe zone and wipe coverage areas. So we design which systems are required. Like, you have to go with an opposed system or a tandem or a pantograph system or tri-tandem. So we have all of these in our offerings, and we have a wide range of wiper arms, wiper motors, wiper blades to cover and meet all kinds of windshield sizes. So, and since we manufacture everything, like from the wiper blades, the wiper arms, the wiper motors, the wiper linkages, since we manufacture everything in-house, so it's we always have the edge of being able to give a quicker solution, come down to meet the customer requirements more easily.
I wanted to carry forward that thought that you almost touched upon, that you are manufacturing everything in India.
Yeah.
And ever since the Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat concept evolved in the last decade, what is your capacity or capabilities in that brings you in or gives you an edge in terms of an Indian manufacturer producing for Europe as well as, of course, domestic consumption? So what is your capacity and capabilities back home?
So we have always been a sort of a export forward company. Right from our founding days in 2004, we have always been catering to export segments. So we have almost 65% of our business comes from the US, and so we understand the higher stringent requirements in terms of product design, product reliability, manufacturing capability, that is expected from international brands, international OEMs, in international markets. So we've always had that understanding, and since we have a good presence in the US and North America, basically. So we thought it's a good time now, with globally people looking at India with the Make in India push, the Atmanirbhar push, all of that coming in. So we thought it's a good time now to start approaching the European market as well, and that's kind of the main reason where we are here. We would have been here in 2021, but
due to pandemic, the show
of course. So we are here now.
Perfect. In terms of your local manufacturing and R&D design and sourcing of materials, few words on that. How strong do you manage your supply chain? How is the R&D or manufacturing capacity per annum?
So our R&D is completely based in India. We are self-reliant, self-dependent on our R&D. We have a good, strong team. Our plant is just outside of Mumbai, where we have one plant and all our manufacturing is under the same location. So we have our own motor assembly lines, our own armature assembly lines. We are quite vertically integrated in terms of having our own sheet metal stamping line. We have our own plastic injection molding. We have our own pressure die casting. We do our own zinc plating. We do our own powder coating. So we are quite self-reliant and vertically backward integrated as well. And we we saw the shift coming in, where we were dependent on some Chinese sources or imported sources, I would say. And we have started to kind of already make that shift. In the last 5 years, we have already been trying to develop sources, alternate sources within India for those components that we were dependent on from China or other countries as well. So we are trying to do that. And capacities wise, we are constantly increasing our capacities, and we are constantly investing in growing our capacities. And last 2 years we have invested to almost increase our capacities by like 50%. Whether that is, that's been in the infrastructure, in land and building, in machinery, and we are constantly increasing our capacities. Where we have now, I would say, we have almost 50% spare capacities to grow, to cater to growing markets, and to cater to our growing business.
Perfect. And in terms of your segment that you focus on, which is a very niche segment, does it offer any scope for, say, standardization, or is it mass customization where you have multiple clients, but they require customized products?
So generally we work in a very customized manner, because we design each wiper system to fit a particular vehicle. So whether it's whether it's a bus, or it's a truck, or it's some kind of off-road construction tractor equipment, everything that we do involves a large degree of customization. But also at the same time, you have certain products, like when you talk about wiper blades or wiper motors, there is a level of standardization that is already built in, and we have those products so that we are able to just do some certain customization and bring a product to the customer.
Lastly, when you have majority focus on exports and European also market becoming your next focus, is there a certain level of accreditation or certification that you have, or you want to build your certification level to suit the stringent market requirements in Europe?
Certification level, on speaking on the product side, there are certain certifications that we require, and we are in process. We have already certified certain products, and we are in process of certifying some more to the European standard. So all these products are already certified to Indian standards, and some of them to the North American standards. European they're pretty similar, or they're a little bit more stringent in certain cases. But we being having our own design, having our own R&D, that gives us the edge, where we're able to take any product, make whatever necessary changes to it, improvements to it.
It was more like quality approvals.
Yes, yeah. And talking in terms of our plant, we are IATF compliant, we are ISO 14000 compliant, we are VDA 6.2 compliant. So I think with the European market, it does require a VDA 6.2 certification. So that we have gotten recently as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time, and we wish you all the best with the plans that you have for your company in Europe. Thank you so much.
Thank you.